Hi guys, in today's video what we are going to discuss about what is the difference between list and array. Okay, before directly jumping to the answer, I just wanted to tell you that list is the building data type where array is not a building data type in Python. Basically when we wanted to use an array we need to use a numpy or import a numpy. So let's get started with the same. See, discussing about list can store a different type of a data, integer, float, a string. So whenever you're talking about a list data structure, a list can store a different data types at a one, or it is also called in a programming way heterogeneous data, right, or a heterogeneous data structure. But array is a data structure with it is a homogeneous data where it can handle only same data type at one time. Okay, so either you can only take a float, either you can take only string, or you can say integer. If you try to take another data type, first Python would do try to convert in one data type. If it is not converting, that time you will get the error, right? So this is the main difference between array and list. Now second point is dynamically in size can grow or shrink easily. So when you're talking about a list is a data structure when adding the value, deleting the value is the possible, but a tuple the array is not flexible to adding a value compared to the list, right? Use more memory. When you're talking about list will store a more memory or take a more memory in Python storage, but array is a more efficient and it will not take that much space compared to the list. Now second point is slower for a numerical operations. Whenever we wanted to do max, mean, or whatever it is, okay, so list is the slower, but when we wanted to do a numerical calculation fast way, that time we have a array, right? In programming way guys, it is used to say array is a 50% fast compared to the list. And next, as I previously mentioned, a list is no need to import anything. This is the building data structure, while when you talking about array you need to import numpy, then only you can use a array. So what we will do this with the help of code. See, a data structure with having purposely we will take a different data types, which is I'll take my name, which is Shivani, then I'll take a float data structure, okay, and I'll print in lower case. I wanted to print type of data is S, right? Now whenever you are creating array, so you need to use import numpy as np, then snp dot array. This is how you can create an array. In this one you can pass a list, so that is automatically convert in array, right? And I'll print s, okay. And if you wanted to see the type of data, so dot d types, you don't need to call d types. Just let me check. See, basically this is giving the each items in present, but this is the array, okay. Now guys, see, if I use a different data type which is int and float, so see, Python has converted every value in a float data type, but if it will convert, that will try to convert and give the answer likewise. But now if I have again some name which is Komal and then print, this will give the array, ठीक है, u3. सो ये क्या किया इसने, सब आइटम को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, सब आइटम को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट किया. I'll use list inside the array. See, this is giving the error, but if you try this one into the list, we have get the answer. So that is the main difference between list and array guys. This is mostly as to when you are going as a data scientist or a data analyst, you must know the difference between these two data types, okay.